Hi, did you order an Uber ride?
This is Dylan.
This is Dylan.
Hi, Dylan.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome.
I am so very good. How's it going?
Oh, you know what? Let me move my seat up for you so you have extra leg room.
Thank you. I just got this big bag
Oh, wow.
piling around.
How's your day going?
So very good. How's yours?
It's quite dandy, to say the least.
Been
So-
on the go for quite some time, or what?
Yeah, I have actually been driving since 5 a.m., but
5 a.m.
gotta get the grind. So, before we get started, would you mind confirming with me your destination?
Yeah, we're on a long trip today.
Yeah, I can see. You going to the airport?
Yeah,
Which
flying out.
which airport are you going to?
I'm going to LAX.
All right, yes we are.
The one and only.
Traveling light, aren't we?
Mhm.
All right, let's do this.
Going on a quick little trip.
So at any point during the ride, if you ever want the AC up, heater up, I don't care. You know, you want the windows down, you want the rooftop open.
Oh, we got options, sir.
Let me know and I will be more than happy.
We got options.
Do you have any music preferences?
I like a good rap, a good pop.
What a good rap, good pop.
Mhm.
All right, do you want? I can rap for you if you want.
Yeah, please. Some live music would just,
All right, this is
Right.
like something I've been working on for a little while.
Give me a beat.
Huh? Je vous salue Marie, pleine de grâce. Le Seigneur est avec vous. Quitte. That's all I got.
Russian rap? What are you speaking?
That was French.
French? Are you from France?
I am a little bit, yeah.
Ooh, a little bit. What do you mean by that?
My great uncle is French,
Ooh.
so you know.
Bonjour.
Saturdays with the boys, he would teach us some French. So pretty fun.
Have you been to France before?
I have several times. I actually grew up there for a little while. But anyways, yeah, you heading out for
I'm actually going to Spain.
Yo, you're going to España.
Hola, me llamo Kaylin. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Can you do some salsa? I feel like you can do. I'm just
I
guessing.
Can move my
Like,
hips a little bit.
do your hips tell the truth?
My hips don't lie, actually.
So they tell the truth, right?
You got it spot on.
See what I did there? You see it? I'm like a comedian on the side, so you know.
Hilarious.
Yeah. Do you watch Family Guy?
I do sometimes.
You know the guy in the wheelchair, Joe?
Potentially.
I can do his voice. I can do
Let's
his
hear it.
voice. You want to hear it?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Hey, Peter. Hey, Peter. Hey, Lois. Can I have some of those brown?
That's pretty good.
I know. I've been working on it for a while. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, I can do the girls I can try to do the girls one
Let's
too.
hear it.
Hey, Peter.
Wow.
I know all the girls are really.
Muy bien.
It's like my icebreaker, you know, at the club. I'll just
Your
do.
party trick.
Yeah, you know
Oh,
me.
that is so good.
Yeah.
I just gotta do some quick little work here.
What kind of phone do you have?
I got the newest iPhone, you know.
Oh, you only have the.
Trying to keep up with my socials.
Yeah. Wait, did you cancel the ride?
No, silly.
Wait, you
Of course
can't.
I didn't.
You're not even on my ride anymore.
What? I canceled.
I'm getting a new ride request.
No, I'm on your ride.
I'm sorry, I have to let you
I
out.
have to go to the airport. No, honey.
I know.
Keep going.
I know this is like dirt road, but
No,
I'm sorry.
No, we gotta keep going. I didn't cancel the ride. It's a glitch in the app.
It's not.
It's a glitch in the app.
I just had to cancel my next
telling
ride.
you,
So.
it is a glitch in the app. You need to keep going. Keep on straight.
Nope. Sorry.
Sir.
This ride is not insured,
No, sir,
and
do
if
you
I
really
get into
think
an
I would do
accident,
something like that? We were just chatting. You showed me your Family Guy voices, and you think I just cancel it like that?
you're probably just milking me. I don't know.
I am not a milker.
You're not a milker. All right.
I am
Well,
a opposite of a milker. Milk drinker.
you're a milk drinker. Okay.
Maybe.
Regardless, I know you seem really cool and nice, and I would love to hang out with you, but you did cancel the ride, and that is not cool at all. So you
I
need to
didn't
get
cancel the ride.
the hell out of my car.
I didn't cancel the ride.
Cool. We'll get out.
No.
You want to reorder the ride
I'm gonna
then?
be late. I have my trip to Spain.
You probably canceled it because it's a long fare and you don't want to pay the whole thing. I know what you're.
It's really expensive to go to Spain. Did you know that?
Yeah, no duh.
It's a big trip, and then you have to pay for a hotel. You have to pay for food.
I don't care.
You have to pay for everything.
Okay,
and you know I just want one free ride.
I need to start.
Just one. And I secretly did it. I put up with your Family Guy voices. I listened to you talk about your French.
I don't care.
Like, you need to keep going. I did you a deuce. Now you gotta do me a deuce. Let's get going.
No,
I'm gonna see a side of me you didn't want to see.
I'm an Uber driver, and I'm not putting up with your BS. This is my car,
BS?
my car, my rules. Get out. I'm not. This is not a charity case. Thank you.
You know what? Karma's gonna bite you in the bum.
It's gonna probably bite you because you try to scam me.
You tried to scam me. I was so nice.
You're a scammer. You are a scammer.
Friendship, Dallin.
It's Dylan. Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going? Good. What's the name?
Angie.
Yes. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. Got a pretty long ride here, huh?
Yeah.
You just gone to, was that downtown?
Yeah.
Got 45 minutes almost. It's gonna be like, this is a good ride for me. I'm gonna make almost all my money today off this ride.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's pretty nice out, huh?
Yeah, it's actually good weather today.
Yeah.
I'm hating the rain. It kind of sucks.
Oh, I love the rain. We really need it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need the rain. We're in a drought.
That's such a Californian thing to say.
Well, you know, we don't get it all the time. It's not every day we get rain, so.
I guess.
Yeah. It's a cool outfit.
Thanks, it's Travis
Is that
Scott.
Bobby Shmurda?
It's Travis Scott.
Oh, same thing.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Yeah. So anyways. Hey, what'd you just do?
Nothing.
You cancel a ride?
It was a notification. Calm down.
No. It literally just says, notification, passenger canceled a ride. Please pull over.
Okay, wait, actually, do you think...
You just got caught red-handed.
No. Do you think that maybe you could, like, Bitcoin me and so I can, like, pay, like, I could pay you in cash maybe? Like, or
you want me to Bitcoin you?
Yeah, and then, yeah, actually, I can cash app you that way.
What?
And you can take me. If you Bitcoin me. You know what I mean?
You want me to pay you Bitcoin?
Yeah. And then I will pay you back.
That sounds like a scam.
It's not a scam, I promise. I just, my credit card kind of declined, so...
You're trying to get a free ride out of me, and you want me to pay you?
No.
Wait, you want me to pay you?
Listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth, okay? So you're gonna Bitcoin me, and then I'm gonna cash you back for the ride.
That literally makes 0 sense at all. And I'm gonna post this on YouTube, so everybody's gonna see you. And watch, they're all gonna be like, that makes no sense. Yeah, it's a dash cam. It's for safety and insurance, just in case somebody tries to scam me like you. So you know what? You're canceled. Get out of my car.
That's illegal. Why would you be recording this?
Get out of my car.
It's weird.
It's dash cam. It's for safety.
Kind of weird.
And you better give me permission to post this.
No, you get no permission.
Well, I'm gonna post it anyway. So
okay,
good luck.
This is actually ridiculous, and I don't even want the time of you. This whole 45 minutes will be so bad. So.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah,
Bye.
whatever.
Bye. Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's the name on the account?
Harley.
Okay. Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
Oh, I love your car.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I just got it.
Yeah, I'm actually trying to get one myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean, it's kind of a lot of money, but...
I know, but I'm an model, and I've kind of been making a lot of money lately, so...
You do old...
Yeah, do you?
The door's not shut. No. I mean, I've heard about it, but I didn't know, like... I never met anybody. Like, do you do pretty good on that?
Pretty good. I'm in the top 1%.
The top 1%?
Yeah.
I was just reading an article about that. If you're in the top 1%, doesn't that mean you're making like $80,000 a month or something?
Yeah, I mean, like, at least.
You make $80,000 a month?
A little more.
You make literally more than doctors and surgeons.
I mean...
That's crazy. Yeah. And you probably have no talent. You just like signed up and just started doing that. Like you probably literally no skills.
I mean, have you ever... model? I mean, it takes...
No, but I mean, you don't need any talent to do that. Just everybody doesn't need a job anymore. Just do all...
It's
pretty hard work. I mean, I go to shoots every day, sometimes like 8 hours.
Yeah, you just show up, you just do your thing. It's like you're not like doing manual labor or anything, hard labor.
I mean, honestly, I feel like you should try it out and just see how much work is put into it.
I think I'm okay.
I have a shoot tomorrow, and honestly, like, you have the looks for it. I feel like you're gonna fall in love with it and just quit Uber, honestly.
You're inviting me to your shoot?
Yes.
What's the pay? What'd you do? You just canceled the ride?
No, that was a text message from my friend. Why are you getting so aggressive?
Show me your phone. Somebody just canceled the ride.
I didn't cancel the ride.
Are you trying to scam me for a free ride?
Press something. No,
Show me your phone.
I'm not showing you my phone. I have personal
Open your phone and
information on here.
You just canceled the ride.
You have no right to look at my phone.
You know what? You want to play? Two can play this game.
Where are you? This isn't the right way.
Yeah, there's a police station right up here.
You're not taking me to the
It's right around the
station.
corner. Yeah, you're scamming me, and
I'm not scamming you.
This has happened to me before.
You have no proof that I'm scamming you.
This happened to me before, and I wasted my time. I'm not doing this again. You're scamming me. Police, they can handle you. They can take you out of my car. They can do whatever they want with you. I don't care at this point.
No, please, like, we really can't go to the police station.
All right, it's right up here.
My parents.
Hey.
My parents.
Hey, cop.
My parents.
Hey, right here. I got her. Hi, did you order a Lyft?
Yeah.
Hi, what's the name?
Yeah. Carol?
Carol?
Yeah.
It says Peter here.
Yeah, that's my dad. Don't worry about it.
Oh, your dad ordered the ride?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're over 18, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So, that's really nice of him to get the ride for you.
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah. I don't really have a dad to, like, pay for anything for me, but it's okay.
I'm sorry to say.
So how was that party you were just at? Looks crazy out there.
Oh, yeah.
That was like the Lil Jon party, right?
Yeah,
I heard he was in town.
It was pretty crazy.
Yeah, Vegas is always something going on in Vegas,
Yeah.
It's always, what do they say? It's that city that you never, what happens in Vegas?
Stays in Vegas.
Stays in Vegas.
Yeah, city that never sleeps.
Yeah, so, this Uber ride's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So, you know what? Hold on a second. Somebody keeps like spamming, calling me.
Oh, yeah.
You mind if I answer this real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Hello? You're my Uber passenger? No, I literally just picked up your daughter. She said you ordered the ride for her? Wait, you don't have a daughter? Wait, what? No, your daughter.
Yeah, don't listen to him.
That's my phone.
No, don't listen. You can just take me.
Are you serious?
Okay. Yeah, no. He said it's okay. He said it's okay.
You just talked to your dad?
Yeah.
You 100%?
Yeah, we're good. We're A-okay.
Because I need to make sure I have the right, like, what if that was my actual passenger?
Oh, they'll find one. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
It's just a mistake.
Okay, so you're going to Henderson, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
It's like 45 minutes. I just want to make sure I have the right
Yeah, that's perfect.
passenger because I don't want to like get in.
Yeah, we're good. You all squared away.
Okay. Hi, did you order an Uber Black?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's that?
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
No, say my name.
No, say my name.
No. You need to tell me what your name is.
I want to feel secure in here. Just say like our name and like. Yeah.
What?
Say my name. Say our names.
I'm not saying your name.
Why?
Because you need to say my name. You could be.
No, you need to say my name. I asked you first.
I feel like that's what a kidnapper would do.
Right?
Just say my
Like,
name
I'm
and you're not a
scared.
kidnapper.
Yeah, like just say your name.
No, that's not how it works. You can check the license plate in the back to make sure.
I don't know if you like kidnapped the other dude or something like that and like
What?
got into the car.
Facts.
What are you talking about?
That's
Period.
what's happening lately.
Yeah.
So can you
It's been
please just
happening
say our
lately.
names?
No, we're not doing this.
We're not doing what?
You can tell me what your name is.
I feel really unsafe in here.
Then get a
Like, if
new
you don't
ride.
say-
Get a new Uber then.
We already paid for this
Yeah.
Uber.
You
The
can
least
cancel
do is
it.
say our name.
That's not how it
The
works.
least you can do is say our
That's
name.
not how it
Oh
works.
my God.
That's
You're just trying to get a free, like, I don't know.
No, I'm
Yeah,
not.
what are you trying
You're
to
the
do,
one
you
trying to
creep?
scam
I want to
us.
make sure
Yeah,
I have
you're
the
trying to
correct
scam us.
passenger. You could be anybody.
Say my name or we're gonna
You
report
realize you could be anybody.
Say our names or
Yeah.
we will report you. 'Cause
If
you're
I
obviously
say
trying
your
to
name,
scam us.
anybody could just say yes. Don't you realize that?
What?
Anybody on the street could get in, and I will say, "Oh, you're
You can pick
you're
up
Kristen,"
anybody
and
you
they'd be
want
like,
to.
"Yeah." You don't have to get in the car. Check the
We're
license
the
plate.
females. We're in more danger
Yeah.
than you are.
Exactly.
Oh my God, feminist
I can
101.
get pregnant and you can't.
I can get pregnant too.
Facts.
Males can get pregnant. You ever heard of a C-section?
Yeah, but can you get pregnant right now?
And why are you getting off topic? Because you don't want
Yeah.
to say our name?
You guys can get out.
Honest.
Just
We're
say
not
our
doing
name.
this. We're not doing this.
Our
No, we
names.
already paid for this.
I'm reporting you guys
We're
to
not
Uber.
getting out.
No,
You guys
we're
are
we're giving you 1 star if you don't take us to our destination.
And say our names. Like, literally just say our
Yeah.
names. That's all
Get
we're
out of my
asking
car.
for.
We're not doing this. We're done. Get out.
We're not leaving.
Get. Oh my God.
We're not going to let you do this to someone else and kidnap someone
Exactly.
I guess we're
you
sitting
might as
here.
well just kidnap us.
else. Right? Just say
Yeah.
our names.
Just get
our
out
name.
of my car now.
Not
Get
until
out.
you say our names.
I'm not saying your names. You need to say my name.
Please just say the name.
You want me to call 911?
Call 911.
Yeah, call them.
They're going to
Because
ask you who's in your car. And
Yeah,
hopefully
exactly.
then you'll say our names.
You're the one.
Exactly.
No,
Oh,
you guys are sitting in my
there's
car.
two innocent girls in my car.
Exactly. We're gonna
Please
say there's 2
come.
girls in my car and
I
they don't
just
want to get
canceled
out.
the ride. I canceled the ride. You guys can get out. I'm not
Are you
doing this today.
kidding me?
Are you
Yeah,
serious
you
right
can
now?
go back into
Just
your.
because, like, we figured out you're going to kidnap us? You're
Yeah,
like,
figured out
What
you're
are
a
you
creep.
Get out of my car.
Yeah, you're gonna get canceled for that. Did you know
Right,
that?
so we just outed you.
I don't
right
care.
now.
I don't
Yeah.
do
Just
the.
outed
I don't
you.
do the
I'm gonna
internet.
call Uber support.
Call
Yes.
Uber. Call whoever
Yeah,
you
I'm gonna
want.
do that and tell them that there's a kidnapper inside this
And he wouldn't
car.
say our name.
I don't even know whose
Literally.
car this is. Did you steal it or something?
Right?
It literally shows in the app that you have the car.
Yeah, but you could have stolen the
Yeah.
license plate.
What are you talking about?
Exactly.
Who does that?
A
People
lot
that
of
want to
people.
kidnap people.
Yeah,
don't wanna get caught.
exactly.
Just get out of my car. You can order a new ride. You guys are worst passengers of all
Oh
time.
my God, you're
I have you on
you're
recording.
ridiculous.
I'm
You're
sending.
such a kidnapper.